is our micro brushless DC water pump. A very powerful 120 watts for DC60G-24120S model. It is with both inlet and outlet of 3/4 inch threaded port with external diameters of about 25 millimeters. Yeah. And this pump is rated wattage 24 watts, and the designed rated power consumption is about 120 watts. Let's check the parameters on the power supply to view the 24 watts. The meter indicator is power consumption 125, and the working current 5.1 amps. Yeah. This is a very powerful pump. Okay, I will power off this pump to view the core appearance. Okay. 24 watts absolute safety, and this is quite powerful. Yeah. It weighs about 1.5 kilograms as a whole. This is the control box part. This is the pump body, 25 millimeters external diameter. Yeah. And this is control box. We can see it is the brain part of this pump. Okay, let's watch around this pump's design as a whole. This is inlet, this is outlet. Okay, thank you for your time.